Next we see about floral characters. First, inflorescence, it is racemose, corian, compound corian, example cauliflower. Then flower is pedicellate, abractate, bisexual, usually actinomorphic but rarely zygomorphic as in ibis. Example ibis, hypogynous, complete and tetramerous. Then calyx, sepals is 4 in 2 whorls, polysepalous, imbricate aestivation or valvate. Corolla, it is petals 4, polypetalous, cruciform manner and arranged alternately with sepals. Is valvate aestivation, generally claved. Androecium, stamen 6, arranged in 2 whorls, outer 2 short antisepalous and inner 4 long antipetalous at tetradynamous. Polyandrous, anthus intros, dithecus, nectar is present at the base of the stem. Next, gynoecium, bicapillary, syncorpous ovary, superior, unilocular but sometimes bilocular due to the false septum or the reticulum. Parietal presentation with several whorls, style short and stigmas simple or bifid.